what's in this brown little box, not your standard bike light, and it requires no tools to install. Alright, so let's go through some of the features on the front light. It has two amber side markings, which actually are quite visible, a low battery indicator. It's got a clip design, so like I said, you can use it for other purposes. Runtime is about 3.5 hours on high, which is what it's set on right now, and better when you reduce the light intensity, one of 5 different modes. The rear light has a 5-hour runtime and a 680 milliamp hour battery. Both of these are clip in, so they're easy to remove, and USB rechargeable. Alright, let's continue with the unboxing. Here's the rear lights. Both of them, again, have the clip-on device. Very well made, very firm. There's the USB. Now that's kind of an interesting twist. Instead of a cable, you actually plug the entire device into either laptop or plug. So that's very convenient. There's the power button, rubberized. Different modes. Overall, feels very sturdy and is well made. Now the front light especially feels very heavy. You can feel the 2000 milliamp battery inside of it, and then it has a metal casing on top of it. So even if you use it for something else like camping or whatever, it's a very comfortable and nice feel to it. You can see the amber lights on the side. It's got the metal clip as well, very firm. And then the recharging port on the bottom for USB. So it has 4 modes of steady light, which I'll cycle through here. And then there's a strobe version for daytime, which I'll show you later. The install couldn't be easier, especially if you're going to use it for other things than just a bike light. It uses a rubber band style cord or strap that wraps around and attaches to the base of your seat post. And you just push the button and click it on. Alright, so now onto the front mount. Now this one's very unique. I like this. You just wrap it around. It's a rubberized, thick rubberized material. Wraps around through this little eyelet, and then it has a cap on it that just screws down and tightens it up. And here's what it looks like fully mounted on the handlebars. Here's a strobe effect close up, and I'll also be showing you a daytime view and evening. Alright, here's a night shot. You can see at 20 miles an hour, has a very strong beam. Definitely it's got a strong visibility when you're on the road. For just around $24 US, this bike light is available on Amazon. The things I like about it are definitely it's very bright, and you can use it for other purposes. You just slide it off, and if you're out camping or whatever, it's just kind of nice utilitarian light with good battery life. At 3.5 hours at full strength, I think that's a strong suit. Although I like the front mount, the only weakness is its inability to position left and right. So the light will stay in the direction at the curve of your handlebars. So just keep that in mind. In general though, I do like the light and the functionality of what it brings. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you, take care.